Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something special for you. So I'm creating a very folk style Gujarati Garba look for you all. So I hope you enjoy it and I'm just going to dig right into it. Okay, so I've already done my eyes. I'm going to show you how I decorate and make it feel more like Navratri style. But I've done my eyes. I've just gone for a simple goldy, bronzy, smoky look. I'm just going to go in with my base now. So I'm just going to quickly hydrate my skin and using the Makeup Forever Base Hydrating Primer. I'm also going to use the Strobe Cream by MAC. And I'm just going to blend both of this into my skin. It's so important to use primers, guys, especially if you are actually going to Navratri and you want your makeup to last all day, all night, and without it coming off. I'm just going to apply my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer on my T-zone, so it just prevents any oiliness from seeping through. Especially if it's like an evening event, I always love using this primer. So I've literally just gone in, I've done my colour correcting, and I've gone in with my Estee Lauder foundation. Today I'll be using Double Wear in the shade Spice Sand, and I've literally just put a few drops of Huda Beauty's body highlighter onto my face as well. So I'm literally just going to blend all of this in with my iconic HD blending brush. Sorry. So I did put extra glow on this. I'm just going to take this down onto my neck first, and then I'll blend the foundation in. It's so good, this is, honestly. Okay. So just blending this all in. It's just really nice. It just gives you that base glow, like under your skin, which I really like. Blend it all in together. I'm just going to spray a few squirts of my Urban Decay All Nighter, and then once again just blend it in one more time. It just keeps my skin hydrated, especially if I've got a long day ahead of me. So I'm going to go in with the Kevin Kwan Sensual Skin Enhancer in Essex 11, and literally just dab a few. You literally just need the smallest amount on your finger, and then I'm just going to pat it in, and it just gives a really nice coverage. This it's a concealer, but you can also use it as a foundation, so it's quite like flexible. So literally, guys, like I'm only taking the smallest dab. I don't know if you can see this, but it's literally the smallest dab, and just pat it in. And then I just feel like the more you pat, the more it blends out, and then you just get this amazing coverage. So just keep doing that. I'm not going to take it all the way up to my eye because I've also got eyeshadow on underneath my eye. So I'm going to take it a decent amount, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender. Just put some onto my T-zone. Once again, I'm just using my finger to do this. A little bit underneath here, and some on my jawline. And it just gives such a nice coverage. I'm going to get my beauty blender, get some onto there, and then literally set this all the way. Oh, got some on my eyelashes. Same on the other side. Set this in. I'm not going to leave it on for a long period of time. I'm just going to leave it on until I do finish off my underneath eyeshadow. So I'm not baking essentially for too long. I'm just going to use my brush to just set the rest of my makeup in. I'm just going to use a powder brush to just blend it in and take it. Perfect. Okay, now I'm literally just going to go in and finish off my eye makeup. Just using my compact mirror and blend everything under my eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, so today I'll be using the Cheerleader Bronze Squad from Benefit. Love this, it's got like the perfect shades. So I'm going to be using Hula Caramel to give me a nice contour all the way. And it just gives you that soft, glammy feel to your makeup. And then down my T-zone, under my nose, not my nose, under my lip, and then jawline. The key is, guys, to just keep blending everything in so you don't have those harsh lines. Perfect. And then I'm going to use, from the same palette, the Coralista, and it's like a perfect like coral peachy blusher. So I'm just going to pat that onto my cheeks. Perfect. And then there's a highlighter in here called Cookie and Gold Rush, so I'm going to be using that today, and literally it's just so nice, guys. Look, the smallest amount, and it just gives you that really nice glow. Just going to use my powder brush again and just blend that all in. I think the key to like doing makeup is making sure that everything is all the time like blended in so nicely. So once that's done, I'm literally just going to go in with my mascara by Benefit, which I always somehow seem to forget. So today I made sure that I kept it in front of my eyes so that I don't forget this, guys. I'm going to go in with my lips now, and I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Madrid. So it's like a nice plum. Hi guys, so I've just gone and put my jewellery on. I feel very Indian right now. Okay, so I'm going to go in with making this now feel more like Navratri. So I've gone and done a bindi, and what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to take my NYX black eyeliner underneath there, draw a straight line. So I'm just going to make that a little bit more straight. or you can just end up ruining everything. There. Draw a straight line underneath the tikka. Get the eyeliner again and do dot underneath. Perfect. Now I'm going to do one, two. So I've just done 3 dots directly underneath my lips and the line and the dot underneath. And now this, guys, is a look already for Navratri. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm just going to get my setting spray. Spray this all in so it doesn't move. But yeah, this is the finished look and I really hope you like my Garba take on this makeup glam. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this, and please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.